Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about Dodge has officially released pricing for its all-new, all-electric 2024 Dodge Charger Daytona First Edition. Yeah, it's a mouthful, but these are the first all-electric Dodge Charger models to hit the market. They're only available in two-door. We've known a lot about them, but we didn't know official pricing. And last week, Butter the Insider here on YouTube was actually nice enough to send me over some stuff that I posted on Mopar Insiders from one of his dealer sources showing us the MSRP of both one of these RT models and a Scat Pack model. Now, mind you, originally when we seen the order guides for the dealers, there was 5 packages that Dodge was going to pre-produce, and basically the dealers would pick from them. Now, if we look at the official pricing versus what Butter had, Butter's sources were dead on. The only difference was Dodge released it today and kind of broke it down as each trim level and then by basically the options as a separate thing. So it's very similar, but it looks like a huge difference in price, but I'll explain it as we go along. But originally Butter showed us a Dodge Charger Daytona RT that had an MSRP of $68,570. Now that car included obviously the Plus group, the Sun and Sound group, which gives it a full glass roof, 18 speaker sound system and all that, and the Blacktop Edition package, okay? So once you put those prices into what Dodge gave us today with those packages, it equals out to the same exact thing. He also showed us a Dodge Charger Daytona Scat Pack model that was a whopping $82,170. Okay, so and that car included the Track Pack, Plus group, Sun and Sound group, and the new carbon and suede interior package. So that car was like fully loaded, but 82 grand. So huge difference compared to the 2023 cars. But I figured we'd look at the pricing today and we'd go through it because it's brand spanking new information and it's what a lot of people were asking about. So Dodge has basically come out and said that the Charger Daytona RT, so that's going to be there's going to be only 2 models for 2024 because 2024 is just going to be like a very ultra short model year because 2025 is going to start in January. So they are just building these cars. Most of them are actually already built and they're sitting on lots. Like there's holding lots in Detroit and Windsor full of these cars right now because Windsor's been cranking them out. But yeah, so they're just sitting there. We're ready to go to dealers and whatnot. So they've been on hold for a while. We'll see how Dodge goes about it. And we'll probably learn more Friday because I'm actually going to see these cars in person at Roadkill Nights and hopefully get to hear them because Dodge did tease us with the new Fratsonic chambered exhaust, which sounds pretty close to a V8. But a lot of people are still upset because it's not a V8. So, going back to pricing, Dodge says that the Charger Daytona RT will have a U.S. manufactured suggested retail price of $59,595. Okay, $59,000, just under 60 grand. And the biggest problem with that is that doesn't include the $1,995 destination charge. So you're looking at an additional 2 grand. So basically you're looking at almost $61,600 for a starting level Charger, a Daytona RT electric car. Now, keep in mind, it's going to be a lot different for 2025. These are first editions, so Dodge is like, hey, we're going to promote it a little bit and we're going to give the cars part of, like, they already come equipped with Dodge's or Mopar's direct connection E-Stage kits. So like the RT gets an E-Stage upgrade kit level 1. So basically it takes it from 456 horsepower to 496 horsepower. So that's standard. So we don't know if the prices will stay the same for 2025 or if they'll drop them slightly, okay? So keep that in mind. And also keep in mind that these cars are only 2 doors. The 2024 model year is only 2 doors. 4-door models will start to be built in the first quarter of 2025. So, all right. But with the Charger Daytona RT, what Dodge is saying is 496 horsepower, 404 foot-pounds of torque. It comes standard with 18-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in 245/55 R18 all-season tires, and it comes with a sport suspension. Other notable features include the PowerShot boost. Basically, what PowerShot is a button on the steering wheel that kind of scrambles the electric motor's like computer and gives it an additional 40 horsepower for 15 seconds. And then it will shut off and kind of let the motors cool up a little bit. One pedal driving, advanced infotainment. So basically you get a 12.3-inch Uconnect 5 system. That's the really skinny and long Uconnect system that we've seen in the car in the concept. Android Auto and obviously Apple CarPlay, that's wireless for 2 people. It includes automatic emergency braking, active lane management, and it has a drowsy driver detection feature. So there's a lot more safety group features, but I'm not going to go into this car. Even though it was $82,000 in what Butter said, the standard price for the car is $73,190. Okay. Again, that's without the $2,000 destination charge. So you're looking at a $75,000 Scat Pack. $75,000 for a Scat Pack, and this isn't even the top of the line car. I can guarantee you that the Banshee will probably be well over $100,000, and it's kind of disappointing in that way because they're just pushing people that what they've been known for is affordability with horsepower, and they're just kind of pushing people out. But these cars. Here's another little catch, too, that I found kind of funny. Dodge said that these electric muscle cars also qualify for a full $7,500 federal tax credit when leased. They didn't say anything about purchasing. So that's going to be a big question I'm going to ask on Friday when I talk to Matt McClare. I'm going to ask him about it because they're built in Canada. I have no idea how this is going to work with the incentives. Because even so, $7,500, you're still looking at huge amounts of money for these cars. And that's a tax credit. That's not like what you get off your payments. That's what you get at the end of the year you put towards your taxes. That you don't get that money back. It's not like it's going to lower your payments. So, and with high interest rates right now, it's crazy. Crazy. Even if you have good credit, it's crazy amounts of money. So, yeah. You're looking at $75,000 for a Scat Pack. $75,130 for a Scat Pack. So, crazy money. Now, what the Scat Pack for 2024 will have is obviously it'll have the direct connection stage 2 upgrade free of charge. But that includes that basically puts the car to 670 horsepower and 627 foot-pounds of torque, which are pretty good and decent numbers. There's a video on YouTube that somebody took at one of the engineering buildings at not CTC, but one of the outpost buildings, and we can kind of hear the car, and it has music playing over it, which I can't play on here, but we actually see the car accelerating behind the building, and it actually smoked all 4 tires, which was pretty cool. But it does 0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds, which is on par with a Hellcat, and it does a quarter mile in 11.5 seconds. So not super stellar performance, considering other EVs like the Tesla Model 3 Performance, which is like half the price, can pretty much do that. And the car only has like 134 mile an hour top speed. And the Tesla can smoke that too. I think it's got the Model 3 has like 160 mile an hour top speed. So again, there's going to be a lot of things going on that we will hopefully see Dodge kind of like improve on the way, but if not, the Tesla's going to have it. It's going to kick its butt. I don't understand how it's going to beat the Tesla. So, but going back to the Scat Pack, it does have a track package. So it includes red Brembo brakes, aluminum wheels, gloss black rear spoiler. It does have different drive modes. So you got track, drag, and custom. It does have a donut mode. So what we're here is it will take and disengage the all-wheel drive system for the front and just allow you to do donuts with rear-wheel drive. There's also drift mode and launch control and line lock. So we know those are also in the car. There's also different interior upgrades, so you can get like performance seats and stuff. And they have a new drive experience recorder, which is basically like how GM has their inboard camera system built into the car. This will kind of do the same thing. It'll record all the data and stuff like that. So it'll be kind of cool. So let's talk about the different packages. Like I said, Butter's numbers were dead on if you include these package prices. Now there's certain packages for each car. Not every car gets both both trims get each package. So real quick, the Plus Group. Basically, with the Plus Group, it's $5,000, $4,995. You get leather low back bucket seats with ventilation for the RT. You get leather high back bucket seats with ventilation for the Scat Pack. Those are the two differences. You get a premium interior and exterior features, including a deluxe security system and a 16-inch color driver display. So basically, we have two tablets in the car now. We have the 13.2-inch basically Uconnect infotainment system, and then basically instead of having gauges, you're going to have a digital screen. So it's kind of like the new Mustang, 16-inch display if you upgrade to the Plus package. Okay. And that plus that big 16-inch screen is standard on the Scat Pack. Basically, if you get the Plus package on the RT, you also get a heads-up display. If you just order the Scat Pack, you get the heads-up display no matter what. The Plus package also gives you a 360-degree camera system as well, so you can see the bird's eye view all the way around the car. Blacktop packages are back. For the RT, the blacktop package, obviously you get black exterior badges. You can get 20-inch by 9-inch dark aluminum wheels with 255/45 R20XL Nexen tires. And then if you get the Plus package, which I just talked about, you can, now mind you, this is only on the RT. You can get 20-inch by 10-inch dark aluminum wheels with 275/40 ZR20XL Goodyear Eagle Sport all-season tires. Okay, that's only if you get the Plus package on top of the blacktop. Now the blacktop package will set you back $1,095, so $1,100. Those looking for the new glass roof option, they have this new sun and sound package. It's $2,500, $2,495. Okay, you get a full glass roof, and you get an 18-speaker Alpine Pro audio system with a subwoofer. So that should sound pretty good. That's going to replace your the outgoing Harman Kardon system. You also have a carbon and suede package for the Scat Pack models. This package is $3,000. Okay, I don't know if I said the price for the Sun and Sound package. It's $2,500, by the way, $2,495. But the carbon and suede package is only available on the Scat Pack. That's a $3,000 option, $2,995. But that includes leather suede high back performance seats, door panels with carbon fiber inserts, instrument panel with carbon fiber and suede. You also get a suede headliner and A-pillars, carbon fiber exterior mirrors. You get the dark exterior package, or like the badging, just like the blacktop edition. And you get 20-inch by 11-inch dark aluminum wheels, okay? And then the only other option that they showed us pricing for was, for the Scat Pack, was 3-season tires. They have performance tires for 3-season. And basically what you get is you pay $700 or $695, and you get 305 35 ZR20XL Goodyear Eagle F1 Supercar tires in the front, and you get 325 35 ZR20 Goodyear Eagle F1 Supercar tires in the rear. So the car's going to have massive tires. I know a lot of people complained about the styling of the car, about it, you know, like basically it looks basic compared to the wide body cars, but this car's got, it's actually got a really good wide body stance if you see it in person. The wide body kit's kind of molded into the body, so it doesn't look like it's a wide body car at all, but once you get behind it, you can tell how wide it is. So, yeah, and they basically said if you buy one of these cars, Stellantis is basically offering, trying to promote EV buying to these customers, that if you purchase one of these cars, you'll get $600 credit towards either an at-home level 2 charger or $600 in charging credits through the free to move charge program. So I don't know which free to move like charging system program they have here in Detroit. I know they're slowly building up, but I'm not sure like what the availability is around the country. So again, that's I don't know if if you want the charger at home, it's kind of cool, but you got to make sure they have a 240 volt hookup to it. So hopefully, if you have one in your garage. Now they did release another thing saying that at level 3 DC fast charging can recharge the car from 20 to 80% in 27 minutes. The problem is it's kind of hard right now to find level 3 charging. So, but the production of the Charger Daytona has already started. They said it's going to start summer. It's already almost over. Summer is already almost over, and they've, like I said, they got cars on lots. The new 6-pack models and the sedan will start in January. So if you're waiting for a 4-door or you're waiting for the new twin turbo inline 6 models, January is when they're going to start production at Windsor. So we'll probably see those cars in late Q4 or Q1 2025 reaching dealers, if not Q2. Okay? So that's all I got for today. Big news. Stay tuned. Friday, I know I haven't been posting a lot lately just because I've been so busy, and I say that all the time, but my life is just busy with kids and stuff like that and dealing with the websites. But stay tuned Friday. I'm going to be at the media event for Roadkill Nights, and I'm going to be at Roadkill Nights on Saturday down on the track and stuff, so I'll be posting videos throughout the day on my YouTube channel and the Mopar Insiders, basically all of our social media. But you'll be able to hear that new Charger Daytona Fratsonic chambered exhaust for sure on Friday, because I know they're going to show that off. But stay tuned to the channel. We'll have more coming up, and see you later. Bye.